Class 10. Subject Science Biology. Chapter 5. Life Processes. Topics to be learned in this video. Transportation in plants. Transportation in plants. For plants, the soil is the nearest and richest source of raw materials like nitrogen, phosphorus and other minerals. The absorption of these substances therefore occurs through the part in contact with the soil, namely roots. If the distance between roots and leaves are small, energy and raw materials can easily diffuse to all parts. But for a large distance, a transportation system is essential. Plants do not move and have enormous dead cells. So, they need only low energy and slow transport systems. Plant transport systems include two independently organized conducting tubes. Xylem moves water and minerals from the soil. Phloem transports products of photosynthesis from leaves to other parts. Transport of water. In xylem tissue, vessels and tracheids of the roots, stems, and leaves are interconnected to form a continuous system of water-conducting channels reaching all parts of the plant. At the roots, cells actively take up ions from soil. This creates a difference in the concentration of ions between root and soil. So, water moves into the root from the soil. Thus there is steady movement of water into root xylem, creating a column of water pushing upwards. But this pressure is not enough to move water over the heights. So, plants use another strategy called transpiration. The loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial parts, mainly stomata of leaves of the plant, is known as transpiration. The water which is lost through the stomata is replaced by water from the xylem vessels in the leaf. Transpiration creates a suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of roots. Thus, transpiration helps in the absorption and upward movement of water and minerals from roots to the leaves. It also helps in temperature regulation. Generally, stomata are closed at night. So, plants depend on the root pressure for water transport at night. During the day when stomata are open, transpiration pull is the major driving force in the water transport. Transport of food and other substances. Transport of soluble products of photosynthesis, food, from leaves to other parts is called translocation. It occurs in a vascular tissue called phloem. Phloem also transports amino acids and other substances. These substances are delivered to the storage organs of roots, fruits and seeds and to growing organs. Translocation takes place in the sieve tubes with the help of adjacent companion cells both in upward and downward directions. Xylem transport occurs mainly by simple physical forces. But for the translocation in phloem, energy is utilized. Material like sucrose is transferred into phloem using energy from ATP. This increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing water to move into it. This pressure moves the material in the phloem to tissues. For example, in the spring, sugar stored in root or stem is transported to the buds which need energy to grow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.